Okay, so she's leaving now, is what's happening.
Beta
Uh,
broke up, that's why we weren't posting.
yeah, she's Zayn Malik this whole ensemble. Hello dosto, welcome to episode 10, 11.
No, I don't. How do you keep count? Are you just saying numbers?
I'm just saying numbers. I forgot.
Yeah, it's been a while. I'm sure
It's
everyone's
been.
been waiting for this bechainly.
I know you guys refresh our page every day.
I know I do.
I know I do. I'm like, क्या
Like,
पता
when
upload
are
हो
we gonna
जाए.
post? That's crazy.
तो
Oh,
सर्च
they fell
हिस्ट्री
off.
में जंप इन करें या फिर अपनी हाल चाल बताओ मुझे जरा. दिस इज ऑल्सो इट्स बिन अ while since Iza and I spoke to each other like this.
Yeah, this whole podcast thing is just like an elaborate way to keep in touch. Gun to our heads.
She's not joking, by the way. Like, this is
Yeah,
literally
I'm
how we
not.
keep up this friendship.
We have to maximize productivity on all fronts.
Yeah, SRS.
How have you been? Because I don't want to
So
answer
good.
that.
I have unironically been really good, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I'm being like, I have to like three-factor authenticate this with the mashallahs because I'm being serious. I've been good. I've been touching grass. I've been socializing. I'm drinking a hojicha latte. I'm good.
What's that?
It's basically an extra roasted matcha leaf, so the caffeine content is low and it's like very like nutty flavor, bitter-ish. It's an acquired taste. I
Matcha
like
का
it.
पहले ही कैफीन कंटेंट लो नहीं है?
हाँ, पर इसका मजीद लो होता है मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए. Hope
Eh,
that helps. How have you been?
I've been.
You
So
have
I'm
been.
having black coffee. It's the opposite of what you're drinking. मेरे जैसे दिलों के लिए.
Girlhood is a spectrum.
Girlhood, we are on a spectrum of girlhood.
We're on some spectrum for sure.
All of them, even.
Multiple spectrums.
Spectra, eh?
Spectre. A scepter is haunting
Spectrums?
Europe.
Hmm?
Liberty Books Communist Manifesto.
Speaking of A levels,
Yes. Speak of A-levels.
I don't wanna. Moving on.
Moving on. Search history में jump in कर लें?
Did you cut your bangs again? Because again, I
Yeah.
haven't seen Sarah in a while.
Did you cut your bob again since I last saw
No,
you?
I didn't. No, अच्छा
I
एक जगह से I did, but just like one lock. So
yeah, that's literally how I cut my bangs yesterday. Like I got ready to go out, then it looked wrong, so I was just like snip snip.
no, because I've been watching New Girl and it's bang propaganda.
Is that just
It's like
get the
early
bangs?
2000s brand bang propaganda and it's getting to me. It's getting to
Do
me
it.
so bad. No.
Do it.
Acha. So the thing is, okay, I hate having hair near my face. If
Hmm.
I'm like exercising or anything or aage aate and then I'm sweaty and it's uncomfortable and it's just sensory hell and then you
I
need
get
like
it.
11 things to like hold them back and it bothers me so much and then
Why do
like you have
you
to
need
wash
11
them
things? Get a
let's say
hairband. No, you don't.
no they look stupid with their hair because फिर इधर खड़े हो रहे होते हैं ना because they're and then the hairband makes my head hurt थोड़ा सा
Okay, yeah, that, yes. I can never do
and also
hairband for that.
I don't wash my hair frequently enough to maintain bangs
I get
which
it. I
is
wash my
really
hair every
annoying.
day. So, girlhood is a spectrum.
It is.
Yeah.
But at the
Okay, don't get
same
bangs.
time, I want the look of bangs without the effort and the maintenance and the discomfort that comes
N
with them.
Next
I
time
like
I see
clip-on
you, I'll
bangs.
get you clip-on bangs just so you can like put them on and take them off whenever you want.
We said clip-on bangs at the same time.
Did we?
Yeah.
Mind you, we haven't spoken in weeks. We were no contact.
We're like this. We're like one of those train links. What did you say? तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है.
Back of the train.
Yeah.
that don't fully connect and
Yeah,
are
yeah,
just
yeah.
there's a gap.
They give yeah.
You said
That's
that
what
at the
you
same
said?
time.
Oh
Yes.
my God.
I thought we were saying the exact same things because we were talking 24/7. Now we haven't been talking
No,
24/7.
this is so much worse.
This is scaring me. I'm scared.
I'm feeling unoriginal with
I'm feeling
11 others.
uncomfortable.
Are we recording this? ये हो रहा है अभी?
Huh. Okay.
So, for 3 weeks of search history is a lot to get through.
Unpack. Nahi, I'm just gonna go through my last recent.
Yeah.
So I searched ABL-100WE-1A Qatar because I'm trying to look for a very specific Casio watch.
Oh,
You know which one.
अभी तक नहीं मिली.
Nahi,
No.
I
Okay.
know. And then I looked up if the beach near my place allows outside food because I'm planning to go. Then I looked up the afternoon tea package in the cafeteria under in my hotel because I'm planning to go to that. Then I looked up Sydney Sweeney because I was talking about her yesterday and I was like, she used to be so cool,
To who?
pre-lobotomy. To a new friend. Social. We're so social. Then I looked up sunrise time Qatar. This I look up every day because I've been walking in the sunrise every single day. Um, what
Why do you
else?
look it up every day? I don't think it changes by a lot, nay.
It doesn't, but I still like just to be like sometimes I'm just like having breakfast and I'm like, how much time
Like
do I
a
have to
minute at most.
Yeah,
Like two.
I know, but it's like how much time do I have for breakfast? I don't look it up every day, okay? I lied. Um, then I looked up donation boxes because I'm looking to donate some clothes. Nothing interesting, honestly, outside of that. I've been looking up like काम की चीजें. I think that's all I have, honestly. YouTube देखूं because I feel like that was not enough. Oh, Lazawal
Okay.
Ishq. Um, and
We're
SNL.
so back. We're
We are so
so we never left SNL.
और
Magar.
SNL और फिर मैंने सर्च किया है हाउ आई इम्प्रूव्ड बोन डेंसिटी अगर आपके पास कोई टिप्स एंड रिकमेंडेशंस है बोन
Exercise, nahi? Isn't it just like
हाँ
muscle building?
बट आई वाज लाइक कोई ज्यादा आसान तरीका हो तो मुझे भी बता दो
No glue, no borax.
no glue no borax can I just immediately increase my bone density like I need to max it out for in the next 5 years because apparently I start losing it after
Yeah, calcium deficiency.
bone strong तो मैं strong
कौन सा था ये?
मैं sweet
हाँ.
स्पॉन्सरशिप भी नहीं मिली और हम उनको नेम ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं
If I had the energy to edit anything, I would crop this out, but I don't. So good for them, I guess.
Yep.
Okay, my search history. Uh, कल मैंने फिर search किया था because I was doing the Wordle. It's PYRRH.
What does it mean?
I think because I thought it was a word because Pyrrhic, I think that's how you pronounce it, is a word. And Pyrrhic means like I had 3 lines of thought in my head. Magar, it's basically referring to a victory that wasn't worth it. So, so like they had a comic here that I saw about it, and it was like you won, but at what cost? And like one more such victory, and you won't survive to tell the tale about it.
Many such
So
cases.
a Pyrrhic victory pair is that, and this is
Big
based
if
on
true.
Greek myth. Yeah, because like most things are. So yeah, that's the etymology. But I don't think pir itself. I think it's a what's a tiny word called? Yeah, what's the thing? Like it's not a word fully. It doesn't have meaning, but it's a sub thing. Okay, it doesn't have meaning अकेले, but you know, किसी के साथ लग के होता है.
Prefix, suffix?
No, I know what a prefix and a suffix is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I think they had like a Minom, Pin, pata nahi kuch hai. I don't know, I can't remember. Anyways, that, and then I
Onomatopoeia.
searched New Girl director because you told me they died, and I'm watching New Girl.
Yeah.
Um, I didn't hear what's that about, them dying.
He was shot in his apartment, and I think the suspect is his son, and his wife was shot as well. And I was like, I've never seen anything by Rob Reiner until I looked up stuff that he's directed. And he is also the director of The Princess Bride and New Girl and
What?
a couple of other things actually. अगर हम कुछ दिन पहले ये करते episode, तो Rob Reiner would have definitely been in my search history. Um, but yeah, he's made When Harry Met Sally as well, and
Oh my God.
The Wolf of Wall Street, The Bear. Yeah.
When you said he died, I thought like natural causes.
You just
I
assumed
didn't,
it.
I didn't look it up like that. Like मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं था. The AI summary was horrible. I couldn't stand
This is why we don't like the Google AI overview.
it. Oh my God. Okay, here I have Who Made Derry Girls because I think I was trying to find out if they made anything else because I was rewatching Derry Girls.
They did. Have you seen a show that
Yeah, I
predates?
know what you're talking about. Pen 15.
Oh no, this I've talked about 1,000 times.
Okay,
Uh, I've talked to you about this show. I'm just blanking completely. इसके नाम के हिसाब से.
that's good because I feel like we need to be a little rusty because it's been a while. And this
Yeah,
is
that
good.
feels normal.
This feels like it should be happening. That's good.
Yeah,
Where I still don't have the Instagram app, so everything from Instagram is still on
browser.
my search history. It's really annoying. Earthquake Islamabad, eyes irritated, heater gas because sardiyan
Okay.
hai.
Yeah,
And my eyes are irritated as hell because like purana ghar and purani heating. That's
yeah.
not good.
Is it because of the filters?
I think like maybe gas quality possibly, but also like just combustion अच्छी नहीं हो रही because it's definitely not cleaned. So yeah. That's work stuff, work stuff, work stuff.
What work?
Bro,
When your unemployed friend says work stuff.
literally, I searched. Oh, this was because of the connections. I was like, why was I searching culottes
Succulent. I'm being
when
so
you're
cringe this
unemployed?
episode, man. I fell off.
Hosier album cover meaning.
We philosophizing him now.
Oh my God. I don't remember any of this. I finished Marvelous Mrs. Maisel in the time that we weren't recording.
I know.
I think I started and finished it in the time that we weren't recording. Because I would have brought it up इससे पहले. What are you
You
looking
were
for? The
bringing
show?
it up. I am. You know me so well. I am looking for the show still. I can't find it.
I searched vintage headphones, and this annoyed my brother a lot because I was like, I want to buy headphones because मैंने
Mm-hmm.
अपने घुमा दिए थे. And he was like, okay, I did all my research. I know everything there is to know about headphones. Like, ask me, like, what are you looking for? And I was like,
Mm-hmm.
nay, I don't think we mean the same thing. And he was like,
Mm-hmm.
nay, you like sound quality vibes. I was like, no, I want like those cool, like the Y2K ones, the ones that look good. I don't want them to be fully functional either. I'm fine if they're
Spaced.
uncomfortable to wear.
Sorry. The show is called Spaced.
नहीं मुझे नहीं याद. We
Yes,
talked
back
about this?
we have months ago. Back to the headphones. The new ones also are so headache core.
I said I want them to be headache core because Varna, I'll just have them in 24/7. And that's bad for my ears. So I want them to be uncomfortable after a point, you know?
So you mean like those thin Sony ones, the black ones that back in the day type?
But what day, bro?
Back in like 2009 type? That era?
Yeah, when we
What
were
day?
7,
Yeah, when I was 8, actually. Actually?
actually. But I want those. I want the ones that look cool and the ones that, like as an accessory, but
Yeah.
also like functionality would be
Mm-hmm.
nice because I do need earphones.
Headphones.
But I don't
Yeah.
really care about sound quality. It just needs to like be there,
Yeah. I feel
you know?
like even like the warped sound quality is part of the experience. Like the medium is the message.
Exactly, like noise canceling.
Like, what
What do
is
you
that?
mean?
Like, you're creating a simulation for yourself in your head, like you're not in the real world.
And
Get over
I
it.
don't need more of that. I'm already not in the real world.
Right? Like, I get you.
It doesn't help. Like, bilkul bhi.
Like,
I
it needs
genuinely
to be. Sorry, go for
go
it.
on, it needs to be.
It needs to be a mix of music and natural sound. Sorry, you were saying.
Hmm. No, just wait. Okay, I don't need to be more isolated in my head than I already am. I don't think it's good
Mm-hmm.
because of the disconnect thing.
Yeah.
Like I feel like such an old head saying this. Magar,
No,
it
you're
really
right.
is on the phone because it's been 3 weeks and I've been on the phone. They were onto something.
Yeah, you're so right.
I'm so right. I'm so right. Hmm. What do you want to
Hmm.
talk about? Like, aage wale episodes, what are we thinking?
Hmm. I am wondering if we should go back to talking about public transport more and our
I want to do
experiences.
readings. What do you think the
Yes.
first one should be? Because I know you suggested something Pele episode mein, and we still haven't gotten around to reading it. But I really think we should.
Okay, we can do the Karachi Lajamia reading. I think like starting next month, we're gonna be so much more free,
New Year
right?
episode even?
New Year episode even. We had so many plans. We were gonna do birthday episodes. We had so much planned out.
Oh no, I just realized हमने वो नहीं किया. Oh,
Nahi
we can do
kiya.
a conjoined birthday episode.
I think yes.
Yeah, because like अगला वही होगा. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Oh my God, it'll
Because
be so much fun.
it's also gonna be like smack in the dab in the middle of both of our birthdays. Like we need to find like the median date between our birthdays, and that's our conjoined birthday.
Yeah, that works. Okay, let's do that.
Get up right now. Conjoined birthday date.
That's. I thought you were gonna like open a calendar and do the math.
There are 53 days between our birthdays, right? So we
You're doing the
do,
math.
I am doing the
किसी
math.
दिन से क्या
53
6
divided
बजे
by
या 12
2.
बजे?
26.5. 26 days
Are
after.
you counting for the time we were born?
No. So, oh my God, that falls on New Year. It's either December 31st or January 1st, the exact day between our
No,
birthdays.
really?
I'm so serious. Because there's
Okay.
53 days between our birthdays, so it's either 26
I
days, which
trust
is,
you. I'm not checking your math. I am not checking your work. I
I did
believe
the
you.
right math. I did the math.
Believe
So,
women.
believe women. So, New Year is the median between our birthdays. So, we should do a New Year plus conjoined birthday episode.
This wasn't planned. That's
Well,
so
not at
cool.
all. And maybe we should talk about a really brief reading during then. So we give the people what they want, which is lore and theory, and not our search histories.
Give the
Should we
people
call
what they
it a
want.
night? Should
Yeah.
we go to sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for tuning in. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Oh, I forgot how to stop recording.